So I'm Stephen, I was the founder and the CEO of Valued. Originally set Valued up in 2011. Seems like a lifetime ago, to be honest, but some moments it only seems like 5 minutes ago as well. Would I recommend TaxCalc? I'm going to trail it back to basics and actually say, if you're not using TaxCalc, why not? Are you not serious about helping your clients? Are you not serious about actually helping your team have better work-life balance? Are you not serious about having less cost than the likes of Digita, of Iris? Are you serious about your business? Do you really want to help your clients? Would I recommend TaxCalc? Yes, without a shadow of a doubt, every single day. And I have recommended TaxCalc, and I will continue to recommend TaxCalc. From a tax and an accounting, finalisation and compliance point of view, it's the best software I've used in my whole career. So I would highly recommend it. Yes, the TaxCalc training series, personally I watched the videos, I followed the training guides, and it was just so easy to use. It was, well, to be fair, it was a doddle to use here. I didn't do tax returns for 2 years, all of a sudden I was actually knocking tax returns out for clients. It was brilliant. What effect did that have though on my business? It actually meant that I brought additional revenue in. So we pretty much, in January 3 years ago when we first started using TaxCalc, we had to stop taking on new clients because the team were too busy to take on new clients. What we actually had was we had new clients come in through the door, I'd sit with them and I would do the tax return. Some people would go, well, that's crazy. Why is the principal of a firm doing tax return? Actually, that just meant I made additional profit. What it actually meant was we onboarded new clients for the firm, and it made it so simple for us. Yeah, so simple. But also, the training guides meant that the administrators within the team could also get to know the basics they needed to know as well, which again meant we could take on new clients. It meant that the accounts team weren't having to do as much data input as well. So it increased our profitability. If you go back 10 years in this profession, compliance was everything. We used to turn the tax returns around, we used to turn the accounts. I used to walk into the Inland Revenue's office with 200 tax returns and pray that the person that was behind the desk at the revenue would actually sign my sheet of paper to say that they've suddenly received all these tax returns on the 31st of January. That was how the profession was 10 years ago. It doesn't seem that long ago, but actually some people now, the new generation of accountants, don't remember those days. The automation of that process, the automation of actually getting the tax information from the client, the automation of actually preparing the accounts, the automation of actually doing the tax return without having to pull that from a separate bit of software, click a button, it brings the accounts information straight across, is transformational. I would have to employ more people if I didn't have that degree of automation within the business. It's massively important to me, not only as a business owner, but a business advisor, a friend to my clients, that we work with software that helps us to grow our business, that helps us to actually interact with our clients, that helps us to have meaningful conversations with our clients. So now I'm not just talking about, here's your profit and loss, here's your balance sheet, here's how much tax you owe. I'm talking to clients about, what do you want to do with your life? Do you want to go on holiday? Do you want to buy a new car? Do you want to sell your business? I'm able to have transformational conversations with our clients because I've got software that takes care of that compliance service. That's the main thing for me in terms of working with our software vendors and making sure that we can actually partner with them and help us to grow our business. Yeah, I absolutely love TaxCalc.